Assalamu alaikum, 9th class. This is the class of biology. As you all know, yesterday we have done, or I have told you about biological method or scientific method. Today we will read about its different steps which are given as under, and I will explain you some of them so that we can easily understand what we are going through. Biological problem. So let me tell you first about the names of the steps which are as under. As you can see, number 1, recognition of biological problem, observation, hypothesis formulation, deductions, and next to that are here at the top experiment, experimentation, summarization of results in the form of tables and graphics, etc., and reporting the result. Guys, let me tell you a quick review about them so that you can understand them. So what happens actually whenever we encounter text message, what we do? First of all, we have to recognize that problem, that what it is actually about. We recognize that. Then we do what? Then we have observations according to them. What do we observe? What do we see at the first look? What do we think about that, and our idea and our personal opinion? All these things come in the observation. Next to that is the hypothesis. After observation, what comes into our mind, the first statement, the tentative idea that comes into our mind is known as hypothesis. And after hypothesis, we make deduction. Deductions are the logical result what we just derive from that statement, either that is true or not true. To check that this category of true and not true, we do experiment. We design experimentation of different kinds. After experiment, of course, we have a result of the experiment in the form of either tables, graphics, data, numbers, etc. And then at the last, we do report the result. We report the result to someone who is after the whole project. We just publish that in the form of books for the graphic papers and digital papers, etc. Alright guys, these were the complete steps which are involved in solving a biological problem. Today we will go for detail of the first two one. So starting with the basic one, recognition of the biological problem. Biologists go for adopting biological method when they encounter some biological problem. Alright, a biological problem is a question. Guys, this is the definition and you have to highlight this. A biological problem is what? It is a question related to living organisms that is either asked by someone or comes into biologist's mind by himself. It is a question of answer we don't know. Everybody don't know, and everybody is eager or keen to know that what is actually behind the whole thing. Alright. So the next step, what is the next step? Observation. How do we make observation? As the first step in the biology, the observations are made up with the help of 5 senses, guys. Just highlight them: the sense of vision, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Observation may be both qualitative and quantitative. Guys, you have to know the terms. Qualitative means quality wise and quantitative means quantity wise. Either it is in good quality or not, or either the quantity is in numbers of high number or of low number. Either the variables are measurable or non-measurable. Alright guys, so there is a difference between qualitative and quantitative term which is color differentiated. Guys, look into that. The freezing point of water is colder than that of boiling point. This is what? This is a quality. Either the water boils at this or either water freezes at this. This is its quality. But the quantity is, the freezing point of water is 0 degree and the boiling is 100 degree. Now there in this example we have digits. We have quantity, either 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So this was the main difference about qualitative and quantitative one. These were the first two steps which I have explained you in detail, and we'll just go for the little step for the next lecture. Wait for my class and just revise this whole topic. Learn in the correct order the complete names of the steps involved in solving a biological problem, guys. Thank you.